morning. Today I'm climbing Gunung Rinjani. Quite nervous actually. It's a very beautiful morning. The sun is shining bright and the day is very clear. I'm not sure it's gonna rain, but hopefully it's not too. I can see Rinjani in the back. Not sure you can see. Yeah, we're starting our trek now at the beginning of the trailhead. Not sure how far for next first stop, but yeah. So now we are walking towards post 1. The terrain is quite okay. As you can see, the vast landscape here. It's very nice. It's beautiful. Beautiful day. There's cows around. So yeah, it's gonna be easy walk. Maybe like 1 hour to 1 hour and a half walk, and it's gonna be a very easy one for now towards the post 1. So the trail for today is, as in the one I'm taking is through Sembalun all the way to the crater, and then tomorrow we'll go for the summit push. So it's going to be a long walk for today, maybe like 9-10 hours, and then we reach to the campsite, which is at the crater. Yeah. Today I'm traveling with SGTREK. You remember David? David, say hi.
Hello. Hi.
And we travel the rest of SGTREK. Say hi.
Hello.
So there are 5 of us, and then the rest will be the guide and the porters that will be following us as well. The slope is a bit steeper now, so I'm moving slowly. And the sun is so bright. Man, look at the view. Okay, so we have reached post 1 over here. We'll rest for 5 minutes, and then we proceed to post 2. Post 2 berapa jauh? 1 jam. Okay. 1 hour. So these are our porters. They are carrying our equipment and water towards the campsite. Yeah. Wow. I wonder how heavy are those. So if you have been watching my past videos, I've been training for this hike. Because I know this hike it's not going to be easy for me. This could be one of my, I think for past many years this should be my biggest hike. And I've been carrying this backpack for my training. So hopefully it pays off for this hike. Right now my backpack is around maybe 8 kg or 9 kg. I do have a porter though, just to carry my water, because I think if I were to add water to my backpack, it might be too heavy for me throughout the whole hike. So let's see how it goes. So far it's manageable. It's not that tiring for now, but I know from the post 3 onwards it's going to be steep, so that will test me further with this backpack. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. Now the sun is not so strong because the clouds just roll in. So you can see, I'm not sure that's a good sign, but I mean for now it's quite cooling, not as hot. Now we're like a very open space, vast space. So if you want to hike Rinjani, please apply sunscreen. So apparently you can hire a Gojek to go up maybe to the post 2, which is here. I think it's not post 2. I'm not sure. But I see that all the Gojek here. Oh, stop here. Yeah. Interesting. I guess we can keep the starting point to post 1 or maybe to post 2. Alright. Taking a Gojek. So I think it's not a. Maybe this is just a stop for the Gojek. So you can see the post 2 ahead. So just right ahead there. Maybe another 5 minutes walk. Yeah. Hey. Oh my. Okay, we are reached. Slow. And the wind is very strong right now. You're gonna take a break over here. Yeah, we're gonna take a break over here. Okay, just I need to check it. Sure. They will sell food here. Post 2. Or stuff. Coffee. And so we're resting here for a while. I'm not sure how long you rest, but maybe half an hour? I'm not sure. I'll check with them. Pretty nice view here in the rest point here, post 2. And there's also a toilet. Maybe that is like 10,000 for each entry. Rest here for 5 minutes and then we continue again to post 3. And the trail is going to be harder lah, because that's where the steep slope will come. Yeah, now I'm just going to enjoy the wind and the view. These two cows here grazing here. From post 2 to post 3, the slope is very gradual, but I think it's going to be a long walk. It's okay. I mean, I've done worse, so this is so far okay. Just that it's a long walk. Yeah. And the sun is out again. I think the clouds came to say hi and then left the area. So yeah. Okay. We are now walking in the clouds. Pocket rest. Wow. It's beautiful. So post 3 is like a half an hour away. So it's not long, but I was told that we're gonna have some food first. Okay, so now we are stopping here for our lunch. Pretty nice spot, I guess. I wonder what they're gonna cook.
Gulanya ya?
Yang pakai susu.
Oh, susu ya, susu tak mau.
Tak mau. Tak mau.
Teh biasa, teh kosong.
Teh kosong. So now the porters are cooking for us lunch. So we're gonna rest over here. Maybe around half an hour, I guess, or 1 hour. Yeah. We're done with lunch and we're gonna make our way to the post 3, which will take around 20 minutes. Yeah, and the slope is waiting for us. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, we have reached post 3. It's quite crowded. Banyak orang
Ini belum ramai lagi.
Orang mana lagi?
Belum.
Okay.
Per hari itu 700.
Hah?
700 orang.
Boleh naik
Boleh
ke
naik.
Sembalun.
Iya.
Dari Sembalun naik ke atas. 700.
Wah,
700.
ramai.
Ramai.
Ni kalau summit beratur.
Ya, mesti tunggu lagi dulu.
Pelan-pelan.
Ya, perlahan.
Wah, okay.
Paling kuat naik sampai atas. Tak kuat tak sampai.
Kuatlah.
Just a quick break at post 3 and now we are proceed to post 4. This should take another an hour, but it's gonna be upslope all the way, so it's gonna be a challenging one. Yeah. Post 3 to post 4, no joke, steep. It's all the way up. Now we are walking through the clouds uphill. Still a long way to go. Oh gosh. Damn, it's tiring. And it's only like post 3 to post 4 only. Okay.
After 1 hour. Yeah, after 1 hour.
We are reaching post 4 soon.
Almost position 4. Oxygen rate.
Almost there.
We take a break.
Okay, we have reached post 4. Okay, I think I left with 1 hour and 20 minutes to go to the crater. It's been not easy climb actually. Try my best to keep up. Gosh. Yeah, so now we are resting. It's tiring. But at least we have like less than 1 hour to go. Right now there's not much view because there's so much clouds now. Everywhere's filled with clouds. Yeah, taking a rest now. My legs are very tired. Yeah, not easy.
Alhamdulillah. Simak.
When we reach the crater, now we are going to our campsite. It's a family's walk. Yeah. Oh, can't see anything now. Clouds everywhere. Nothing much to see. So hopefully, maybe the view gets better. Maybe, I hope. Yeah. So right now we at the base camp already. Enjoy the going pisang. Ooh. Wow. Tomorrow summit day.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can make it.
Can. Confirm can.
Okay, can. Yeah, the clouds start to clear. Now the view is on point. The Damn beautiful. Rinjani is still blocked though. Yeah. Hopefully the cloud clears before sunsets, and maybe we can see a very nice view. Oh, this is beautiful.
See, climber 450, including proper exact, it's about 700 people on the mountain.
Whoa.
Okay. Well, dinner is done. I gave her dinner, and it's dark outside, so it's time to get some rest. Actually, a lot of rest because it's been one hell of a climb just now. And something is tomorrow, and I hope I can make it. Yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Honestly, I couldn't capture any footage toward the summit. Every ounce of my energy went into taking the next step. This climb was all about mental strength. Anyway, the one step forward, the two step back is so real. It was so frustrating, but I pushed through and also asked my porter to take photo of me. Finally, I made it. Yes. Okay, thank you. Look at the view. So, wow. There are still people climbing up. I made it. Slow and steady. What a hike, I tell you. Wow. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in another video. So, bye.